In 1983, there was a case called Bob Jones University versus the IRS, in which the IRS challenged the tax-exempt status of Bob Jones University because Bob Jones had this bizarre and reprehensible policy banning interracial dating on campus and interracial marriage based on a strange interpretation of scripture. At least that's what they said it was. In any event, Bob Jones lost that case and they lost their tax-exempt status. As far as I know, they kept the policy and they continue to operate as a private university. But the Supreme Court found that if you enshrine a racially discriminatory policy in violation of the civil rights laws, then you cannot get tax-exempt status. So that was the precedent. Fast forward to 2023, we have the case Students for Fair Admissions versus Harvard. This is the Supreme Court case a few years ago that said that affirmative action policies that use race as a factor in admissions are a violation of the 14th Amendment's protection against racial discrimination. Harvard lost that case. They were found to be racially discriminating in admissions. Now, what Harvard did in the wake of that is that they claimed that they removed access to information about an applicant's race from the admissions process so that the admissions readers don't know what race a student is. This is their claim. But at the same time that they did that, they updated their application, replacing the long form essay with 5 shorter questions asking how applicants will contribute to a diverse student body. It's suspiciously similar to these DEI statements where prospective professors who are applying for jobs at these universities get asked, how will you contribute to diversity on campus, things like this. And it's used as a way to discriminate against conservatives or people who just think that race or diversity should not be a factor in teaching on campus. Anyone who answers that question, I believe in judging people based on the content of their character, not the color of their skin, they're going to get weeded out, right? I mean, or someone who says, well, I'm going to contribute to diversity on campus by contributing intellectual diversity. Those are the types of applicants who get weeded out by these DEI statements.